Good evening. Part 3. I had a minute to talk about a topic. Part 3, question 1 of 1. All university students should do part-time just while they are studying. What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? What is your own opinion? These advantages of part-time job can be it helps organizations that their workers is the work concise with what is student experience and gainer. Part-time disadvantages can be there is less time to study, partly by have to cancel a period where researchers they continue studying the work barely concise with what you are studying. I consider that depending of on the similarity of the work with what it will be possible to put into practice what has been learned. Thank you. These advantages of time. Bye.